So this one takes AAA. This one is rechargeable, but I much prefer the one where I can just throw batteries in there and be done with it when I need to, if it runs out of juice. Here you see the rating of the laser. Hey guys, thought I'd show a flashlight that I bought here recently at Lowe's. It's from Klein Tools. It's the number 56026. And they call it an inspection penlight with laser. And you do get 2 AAA batteries with it. And one of the things I liked about it is it's moderately bright. Not terribly, but if you're doing work close up, I think it's got a good brightness. This thing will last for 6 hours. And so I bought a couple, one for the house, and I'm going to have one keep in the car, even though I've got some other flashlights, another flashlight in the car. This would be excellent if for some reason you had to walk a distance, you had to do something on your car, take a tire off at night with a 6-hour rating. That's excellent. And it's got 10-foot shock resistance and IP54 rating. Echo, what's an IP54 rating mean?
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor that I translated. A product with protection grade IP54 has complete protection against dust or moisture. In addition, it is protected against water splashes. The first digit 5 indicates the degree of resistance to dust. The second 4 indicates resistance to moisture or contact with water.
Now, I like the fact that you can just put batteries in if you carry extra batteries around the house, maybe an extra set in the car. They're just easy. If the light starts to wane on you and you need it brighter because the batteries are failing, you throw in a new set and you're good to go within a minute or two versus having to plug it in and let it charge and wait, especially if you're in your car. And normally, any batteries that I have that are not at the home, I always change them about every 6 months. I'm probably throwing out good batteries. That's just what I do to keep them fresh. So let's take those batteries out. I've got that under kind of snug. Again, it's all aluminum. And you can see that the belt clip or your pocket clip is attached to the cap. And again, rotatable. And they provide these Energizer batteries. They go positive side in, just like that. Now I just got to be coordinated. I've got arthritis, so sometimes it takes a little bit to get and it does have an O-ring seal here. Well, hang on. I'm doing this behind the camera, and there it is. Doing it behind the camera, then I've got arthritis here that's hurting today in this thumb area, actually both areas. And then you can see it does have an O-ring just below that clip. Right there is an O-ring seal. And again, as I said, you can put this clip in any position you want. Now, construction of the flashlight is top notch. It's all aluminum. It's got a clip here, which is rotatable. So when you take this off, the cap, to put the batteries in here, this will move around so you can set it wherever you want. This front part is actually got a rubber. So when you set it down, it's got this sort of like a silicone ring here, and it will illuminate in the dark. Here you see the flashlight part, and then up there is your laser. Another thing I like about this is its simplicity. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles. A lot of flashlights have push once, push twice, push 3 times, different brightnesses. As I said, this has one brightness, lasts for 6 hours. It's a simple switch. It's the one down here. You've got the top switch is for the top portion is for the laser. The bottom portion is for your flashlight. Push once, it's on. Push again, it's off. It's that simple. Gives a decent beam. I use this in my basement. You can see all the way to the other end. And again, for something for emergency use, getting into, you're looking at your furnace, a tight area, this thing is ideal. And then you'll notice the upper portion of that switch is your laser. And that does not click on, obviously for safety reasons. It's just a momentary on. So in closing, guys, I'm really happy with this purchase.